Hi guys, it's me Pixel. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded the past week. I've been a little under the weather, but today I want to talk to you guys about ways you can earn speed ups and resource packs. These two things are very important. Everyone needs them. Resources, I know you can gather them through farming, but you also need some resource packs in your bag in case of emergencies. And I find these two ways the best to earn speed ups and resources other than the events that are going on each day. So the first thing is these zombies. You use them, it comes out near your shelter, you rally them, and there's guaranteed resources and speed ups in each rally. This is of course a stamina consuming activity and rally, but this helps a lot. I have been able to get those 150k packs, and I have, without gathering, I have lived off of them for like 2 3 months straight. I had so many. So this is one of the best ways I find. And then the second is of course killing zombies. I don't know if a lot of players know this. Maybe they know this subconsciously, but they don't do it actively because it's very boring. I know killing zombies is one of the most boring activities in the game for a lot of people, but try this method and let me know down in the comments below if you find it useful. I kill at least 150 to 200 zombies every day without a fail. I do not need to do hives anymore because I have my battle center maxed out. But even before, I used to, no matter what I do, I keep this habit for my daily activity in the game. No matter what is going on, I have to kill 150 to 200 zombies every day. This has helped me so much, and it has I'm not kidding, this has like sped up my growth a lot. I have at least on a daily basis, by killing 200 zombies, I have gained at least, I say, 2 days worth of speed ups. And this is like inclusive of all. I'm not saying like just universal or just training. This is all included, like all of them: training, universal, construction, and your healing and research. All five together, I can gain 2 days of speed ups easily by just killing zombies. And staminas, maybe I can get like 1.5 million of each, or maybe more. It depends really on what level I'm killing. If I go for the high level ones and I have a lot of stamina, it's very easy. And if I don't have stamina in my bag, which I'm running very low right now and I'm saving it for upcoming events, I will just use my ranged hero and I will show you the way I kill it. Okay, yeah, this area is good for that. Let's see. I'm gonna remove the focus all. I'm gonna bring Bard up to this area. This method works the best with, I would say, Akemi, Bard, and Jacob. Jacob is one of the best heroes you can do this with. Then Bard, and then I would say go for Akemi. And when you're selecting your squad, make sure your first hero is a zombie, has a zombie focus, and your second hero is one that you want to upgrade without spending any XP. So I'm just gonna let Bard attack this zombie, and what happens is he has a circular damage skill. So when his skill hits, what it does is it hits the second zombie in this area. So it did not work then because I did not like really focus on that. But let's see now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this zombie. We wait for the skill to load. Okay, it did not work. Oh, this is such a fail. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna move him so that the circular area damage is in the area I want, my desired area. and I make sure not to move my hero too far away, otherwise the stamina gets wasted for this zombie as well. And as you can see, while the skill activated, the other zombie got attacked automatically. So what you can do is you can move your hero around a little bit in the area and try to move him to closer to more zombies and kill. This way it gives you the rewards for 2 zombies, but you're using the stamina only for 1. I find this way very useful for saving stamina, and this really helped me. And a friend of mine actually gave me this idea. She's more like a sister now, but it really helps me because I'm usually always low on stamina after the Russell event, and killing zombies is something I have to do every day, no matter what is going on. If it's AR, even if we have GW going on, I will make time for at least 100 zombies. This has made a lot of difference to my bag. And apart from just resources and speed ups, it's also giving me gems. It gives me those outpost toolboxes. A lot of times, when some event is going on, it helps you complete the event missions. Like for example, right now we have this infinite warfare going on, so I was able to get all of the speed ups from here as well. It's very useful for me, so please let me know if you find this helpful. As I'm on my way to get T6, I will just show you guys my progress right now. If you remember, in my first video I had not completed any of these. All of these were pending because of my battle center and my uh, lookout tower and the research lab. I was able to complete all of these, start a new one here, and upgrade all 3 of those without spending a single dollar. I did it all by killing zombies, completing my missions every day, and participating in all events. Being active is all it takes to be able to speed up your growth. And please let me know down in the comments what other videos you'd like to see and if you find this way helpful. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. I have incredible support from all of my friends